Welcome everyone to the third part, to the fourth part of this video. So in the previous part, we were able to create the first screen, the first part of this. So we created the snake game. So we also write some code for the backdrops and also for the snake. So we are going to continue from where we stopped. Alright, so for this one we are going to create a button. So we are going to create a button that says start. We're going to create a button that starts. So I will come to this, choose a sprite. I'm not going to click on it, but I'm going to select paint. So we'll come here and then click on paint. So because we are painting a sprite, we're naming it start. So I'll change the name to start, or I'll change the name to start button. So rename it as start button. Then come to this custom area and then draw a button there. So just like what I have on my screen, draw a button there. So alright, so the color is purple. So come down here. So I need to change, so I need to type the start there. I will just click on the T. So remember what we did in the first video, that we change the color here. So I'll come to fill and then change the color to white. So come here, remember I change the color to white, then come here and then type start there, start. So if I've typed it there, then come to select and then make it bigger. Make it bigger. So anyone you want to choose, so it's not big, you can see the way it is here. I will drag it here. So I'll drag it here. Alright, so click on this T to change the, so I click on the T. Now I can change the text type, the font type of the text. If I don't want this kind of text, I can just come here, then change it to any one I want. So if you see this one now, see pages, so anyone you want, you can change it to it. So but for mine, I'm just going to leave it as Collie. So I'm going to leave it as Collie. Alright, so let's write some code for it. So if I come here now, I'll come back here, I'll go to my snake and then I want to write a code for snake. So we didn't write it in the previous video, I want us to write it now. So go to your motion now, we are writing this code for snake. Before we go back to start button, then do when green flag they clicked, show. Then before it shows, go to -2, then y71. So if you notice that the current location, so this is where it is now, -2, and then the y is 71. So you can see s is -2 and y is 71. So that is the current location, so that anytime we click, in case we move it away from there, you can see where it's sprites, it can always go back there. Can you see it goes back to that location that it was, this -271. So it's always go back to that location. So let's go back to our start button now to write some code for it. So the code we are writing is when green flag clicked, hide. So hide. So when the green flag is clicked, hide. Then next thing is go to when green flag clicked, hide. Then next thing, wait 2 seconds. You can see wait 2 seconds. Then after waiting for 2 seconds, then go to broadcast start game and wait. So come here, broadcast start game. So if you remember in the first video, we created start game. In this, when I say we create, click on it and then click on new message and then type start game there. So that is what we are broadcasting now. So go back to my start button to broadcast start game and wait. So I will do here when I receive start game. Alright, so there's something we all need to do also, is for the location too. So go to ls-6, this is the current location here. So I just need to drag it here. That's when the green flag is clicked, this start button should always come here. So now in case we move it away from there now and I click on green flag, you can see it go there. But right now it is hidden. It is hidden now because we have set it to hide. So I click on this place now, show, it is show. Alright, so I've just come here. When I receive start game, then show. So I'll come to this where it's okay, go to looks, then I will do look show. Alright, can see what happens, but that's not the target, so that's what happens now, but that's not what we want. So what we want is, I will put this show here, you can see, hide, then wait 2 seconds, then show. So see, 2 seconds, it shows. Can you see what happens now? Alright, so that's what we want. So I will come to this event now and then do when this spread clicked. So that's our target now. So I'll remove this when I receive game over. So when this spread clicked, when you click on this spread, that starts button, then what happens? It's hide. So that's where you want it to hide. So go to looks and then look for where there's hide. Then when it's hide, broadcast start game. So when it is until you click on this start button now that the game is going to start, just like what we had in the preview video. So just like this now, you can see every other thing disappears, it leaves nothing on the screen. So in the next video we are going to be creating the snake and also the fold. Bye for now.